Travel with 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪. Don't worry for what you don't have. Travel as you can. Milan is a city in northern Italy, regional capital of Lombardy. The largest city in Italy by urban population and the second most populous city proper in Italy after Rome. Milan is a leading alpha global city, with strengths in the fields of art, chemicals, commerce, design, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, healthcare, media, services, research, and tourism. Milan, the metropolis that finds a perfect and dynamic balance between history and modernity. While it is considered one of the world's fashion and design capitals, as well as a financial hub, Milan is also a city of culture and thought. While always looking towards the future, this Lombard capital lovingly preserves its prominent history, boasting spectacular museums and some of the most monumental churches in Italy. Duomo Milan is situated on the opulent Piazza del Duomo, next to the enormous and inspiring Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. The cathedral is easily accessible by any means of transport, including bus, train, or metro. Milan Cathedral is the cathedral church of Milan, Lombardy, Italy. Dedicated to the Nativity of Saint Mary, it is the seat of the Archbishop of Milan. The cathedral took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Construction began in 1386, and the final details were completed in 1965. It is the largest church in the Italian Republic. Main entrances. There are 3 main entrances to the cathedral located on the left and right side of the huge bronze door when you face the cathedral. The left entrance is for regular entry, while the doors on the right side are for online reservations and skip-the-line tickets. The ticket booths to purchase tickets can be found on the left and right side of the cathedral. The main entrance is open every day from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. All guests, except those who wish to attend Mass, must purchase a ticket to access Duomo Milan. Keep it in your mind. There are several ticket choices, ranging from simple admission tickets to fast-track tickets. Elevator entrance. The elevator entrance is used by visitors who wish to explore the rooftop and are short of time to take the stairs to access the terrace. The elevator entrance offers fast-track access to reach the roof, as you'll be taking the elevator instead of steps. This entry can also be used by visitors with reduced mobility. You can either take the fast-track elevator, which will take you all the way up, or the regular elevator, which will take you to the first level of the rooftop. How to reach. The regular elevator entrance is located towards the north of the cathedral, while the fast-track elevator entrance is located towards the south of the cathedral. Once you get to the main entrance, you can walk to whichever entrance you wish to take. Entrance timings. During summers, the elevators are open from 9 a.m. to 5:45 p.m. and during winters, from 9 a.m. to 4:45 p.m. If you want to avoid the queue and explore the rooftop as well as the cathedral, we'd recommend purchasing Duomo Milan skip-the-line tickets or opting for the elevator entrance. This is the fastest way through which you can first go to the rooftop and then directly enter the cathedral with the same pass. You won't have to wait in long queues with these tickets. However, If you wish to attend the masses or any sacred prayers, the best way is to enter through the side doors. Once you enter the cathedral premises, you'll find 3 different queues. Queue 1. This queue is reserved for visitors without tickets and is the lengthiest queue. You will see this queue towards the left side of the cathedral. Queue 2. This queue is intended for visitors who have already purchased tickets online. This queue can be found towards the right side of the main cathedral door. Queue 3. The visitors with fast-track priority access should stand in this queue and can directly enter the cathedral without much waiting. This queue is located right next to the online ticket queue. Piazza del Duomo is the main piazza of Milan, Italy. It is named after, and dominated by, Milan Cathedral. The piazza marks the center of the city, both in a geographic sense and because of its importance from an artistic, cultural, and social point of view. Rectangular in shape, with an overall area of 17,000 square meters, the piazza includes some of the most important buildings of Milan and Italy in general, as well as some of the most prestigious commercial activities, and it is by far the foremost tourist attraction of the city. While the piazza was originally created in the 14th century and has been gradually developing ever since, its overall plan, in its current form, is largely due to architect Giuseppe Mengoni, and dates to the second half of the 19th century. The monumental buildings that mark its sides, with the main exception of the Duomo itself and the Royal Palace, were introduced by Mengoni's design. The most notable of Mengoni's addition to the piazza is the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II arcade. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is Italy's oldest active shopping gallery and a major landmark of Milan. Housed within a 4-story double arcade in the center of town. The Galleria is named after Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of the Kingdom of Italy. It was designed in 1861 and built by architect Giuseppe Mengoni between 1865 and 1877. The Sforza Castle is a medieval fortification located in Milan, Italy. Built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, Duke of Milan, on the remnants of a 14th century fortification. Later renovated and enlarged, in the 16th and 17th centuries it was one of the largest citadels in Europe. Extensively rebuilt by Luca Beltrami in 1891 to 1905. It now houses several of the city's museums and art collections. Chinatown Quartiere Sinistre borders the Centro Storico area, and is a multi-ethnic district around pedestrianized via Paolo Sarpi. The streets are strung with Chinese lanterns and lined with food markets and shops selling silks and leather, while dining options range from dim sum restaurants and tea shops to Asian street food stands. Contemporary art exhibitions take place at the Fabbrica del Vapor Cultural Center. Don't forget to visit these places. Pinacoteca di Brera, La Scala Theater, and Parco Sempione and Arco della Pace. Milan City is beautiful both day and night, so you can walk whole day here. This video is about Milan City and places to visit in Milan. To see beauty of this city you need a whole day. So when you plan a vacation, including Milan City, you need a booked one whole day for Milan City. I hope this video helped you get an idea about Milan City. In next video I will bring you accommodation, transport, foods, and activities to do in Milan City. If you like our videos, like, comment, and share. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.